What is danger? I'm sure he's the one.
Tile! Oh,
Tile. Ah! Who is Shamiga?
yeah.
No, Shamiga.
I'm a man. How you got there? Tile!
Now so it takes that.
What is the problem now?
You can never, you know you cannot make my failure.
What is this?
Oh, you can never make it.
I don't understand. Have you started learning Greek language? Mbakelen, can you go on?
The problem is...
read what you wrote. Take.
Why?
Read what you wrote now.
Oh, you mean you are bloater?
Jesus!
See, first of all, I am not your brother. Bring this paper.
Okay.
You are writing an apology letter with red biro. Hey! Am I dead? See, come this side, let me intimate you on how they write an apology letter. What's your problem? Listen, if you are constructing...
The son of Yana, Quafle, or a son of Yana, Quafle.